How to lock down devices in Kiosk Mode. First, let's create a new kiosk policy. To create a new kiosk policy, go to the Policies tab and click on New Policy. Give a name to the policy and select Kiosk Settings. The Kiosk Settings allows you to create Kiosk Mode for Android and iOS. Let's configure a multi-app Kiosk Mode for Android. Click on the plus icon to select apps. Here, I'm preparing a Kiosk Mode for a typical Uber driver. You can navigate through the pages or simply search for the apps by typing the name. When you find the required app, click on the Select button to add it to the Kiosk Mode. Click Done to finish adding apps to the kiosk. Now, I'm going to specify some settings which are exclusive for Android kiosk devices. All devices-related settings are available in the peripheral settings. Here, I'm going to provide the user with Wi-Fi controls, flashlight access, brightness controls, and mobile data control. Now it's time to configure Kiosk Exit settings. Here, we specify the Kiosk Exit passcode. If you want to exit the Kiosk Mode from the device itself, tap the screen 10 times fast and enter this passcode. Miscellaneous settings include additional options, which enables the user to manually send their location, and also a messenger that displays admin messages. All we need to do now is to assign this policy to target devices. Policy targets can be devices, users, groups, or even domains. Here, I'm adding a device group comprised of devices for Uber drivers. Once saved, this policy will be applied to all the devices in this group. Finally, you save the policy, and there you have your first kiosk policy. Now, let's take a look at what happens at the device end. In the device, the Hexnode app will open up automatically when you apply the policy. Activate the Kiosk Mode and select the Hexnode Kiosk Launcher. Your device will now convert into a kiosk with the apps and settings you configured.